Factors of production. Production. In economics, production means creation of utility in goods and services by which human wants are satisfied. For example, manufacture goods like shoes, cloth, furniture, etc. provide utility to the people by which they satisfy their wants. Factors of production. All goods and services are produced by the combination of four factors of production. Number 1 land, number 2 labor, number 3 capital, number 4 organization. Land. It is the basic factor of production. Land in economics means natural resources in the command of human being for use in the production of wealth, goods and services. For example, soil, mountains, livestock, forests, minerals, rivers and seas, etc. Land is a free gift of nature and its quantity is fixed by nature. Land is a basic factor for economic development of a country. Countries which have abundance of natural resources are developing fast, whereas the countries which are short of resources are still underdeveloped. Labor. Labor can be defined as any mental or physical work which is done for the sake of reward is labor. Those who are doing labor for reward are laborers, for example, laborer, peasant, tenants, carpenters, blacksmiths, barbers, etc. are laborers because they do physical labor for rewards. Besides these, doctors, engineers, teachers, advocates are also laborers because they do mental labor and get the rewards. Labor is the most efficient factor of production which makes use of natural resources to develop industrial, agriculture and other sectors of the economy. Capital. Capital means produce mean of production or the capital good which are used to produce more goods or to earn income is called capital. For example, machinery, equipment, raw material, etc. are capital goods and hence capital. Part of income which is not spent on consumer goods is saved. Savings are used to make investment in physical assets to earn income. Therefore, savings are also called the capital. Capital brings efficiency in production and raises the output level, particularly in the agriculture and industrial sector of an economy. Organization. The art of combining four factors of production is called organization or entrepreneurship. The one who does the organization is called organizer or entrepreneur. The entrepreneur makes a plan of a business, employ factor of production, determines the quantity of output to be produced, bears the cost of production, and he is also responsible for marketing and profit and loss in business. Entrepreneurs play the role of a leader in an economy. He is responsible for maintaining high level of production in the economy and also responsible for the growth of the economy.